Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and audio board. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the left rear speaker. Disconnect the left rear speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left rear speaker to the top cover. Lift the left rear speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the left rear speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left rear speaker to the top cover. Connect the left rear speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Insert the display panel cable into the display panel cable ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the left rear speaker. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.